5 morning habits that will make tomorrow best day ever. 1. Wake up early. 2. Conscious deep breathing. 3. Meditation, prayer and contemplation. 4. Yoga or gentle exercising. 5. Eat a healthy breakfast. 4. Create better sleeping habits. 5. Start a new routine that you love. Morning habits and rituals are needed as reminders of our humanness as we enter the world. These rituals can be done anywhere. Studies done in 2014 published in the Society for Personality and Social Psychology journal showed that 40% of people's morning day-to-day activities are beneficial for the rest of their day. Starting your day with a few good habits can make you more productive, less stressed, and happier. The first few hours of waking are sacred to the spirit. These morning habits will provide you with a healthy and solid foundation for the rest of your day. 1. Wake up early. In 2010, a biologist from Harvard, Christoph Randler, found that people who woke early were more proactive than others who slept in. After a good night's sleep, the brain is charged to make healthier decisions and get things done in a quiet time. When you begin to wake up earlier, your mental health releases the stress of being rushed in the morning. Studies have shown that early risers have a more positive attitude. 2. Conscious deep breathing. This may sound simple, but we tend to hold our breaths when we awake. A study by Dr. Herbert Benson, who wrote The Relaxation Response, states that there are 3 parts to our breathing. 1. Inhaling deeply through the nose for a count of 5 or so, making sure that the abdomen expands. 2. Holding the breath for a moment. 3. Exhaling completely through the mouth for a count longer than the inhalation. As you wake, make a mental note to take a few deep breaths. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Close your eyes and allow for the quietude to bring you present into this new day. 3. Meditation, prayer and contemplation. Regardless of your faith, these small acts of faith and silence will alter your mood for the day. Whenever you pray or meditate, the activity of your brain shifts from the right frontal cortex, where stress is held, to the calmness of the left frontal cortex. The best prayer there is to enter the day is to be in full gratitude. You have been given another day in this journey of life. Meditation is the art of silencing the mind. Prayer is the art of asking. Contemplation joins both and provides you with the calmness needed to move through the busyness of the day. You do not have to do this for an hour. Just sitting for 15 minutes is enough to create a sense of peace in your mind, body and spirit. 4. Yoga or gentle exercising. Stretching first thing in the morning is vital for your mind and body. The benefits of yoga can provide a tremendous stimulation, like drinking a cup of espresso. Yoga exercises make your body tighter and lighter. These gentle movements raise the serotonin levels and your endorphins. These are the feel-good chemicals that are produced in your body. Starting the day with stretches and deep breathing will ensure a calm state of being, thus providing you with a wonderful boost of energy. 5. Eat a healthy breakfast. Food is what fuels you for the entire day. Breakfast is the most important meal for your body, as it helps reduce crankiness, provide stimulation, and energize. A healthy meal can consist of a smoothie or fruits and toast. A lean breakfast prepares you for entering the day with energy. A study in 2010 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition stated that people who skipped breakfast were more likely to have higher cholesterol, elevated insulin levels, and higher risk factors for heart disease. 4. Create better sleeping habits. The way you sleep will change how rested you feel when you wake up, so start by cultivating healthy sleeping habits. They will help you to fall asleep more easily and promote a more restful sleep, so you feel more awake and inspired every morning. To start, try to go to bed at a similar time every night, and make sure it is relatively early. Ideally, you'll want to aim for at least 8 hours of sleep per night. You should also switch off your electronic devices well before going to bed, as the light these devices produce can prevent you from sleeping and disturb melatonin production. You should also avoid eating within 3 hours before sleeping, and especially steer clear of alcohol at night. Although alcohol can help you fall asleep more quickly, it also prevents the body from slipping into its deep sleep phase well, leaving you tired in the morning. 5. Start a new routine that you love. Sometimes, all it takes is something simple but meaningful that you love to help you look forward to getting out of bed. Create a new morning ritual that you can perform every single day and look forward to without fail. These 5 morning habits will provide you with a healthy and solid foundation for the rest of your day. Once you begin implementing them, the lighter and happier you will feel. We become what we repeatedly do. Sean Convey.